Good morning, student. Today we are going to read about HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This hypertext markup language is used to create web pages over internet. The word hypertext markup language means it is a language which is being marked by using some codes. Hypertext markup language, that is HTML. Beside HTML, we are using JavaScript, VBScript, PHP, XML and other scripting language for developing the web pages. The web pages can accumulate some features, like we say that in HTML tags are the elements. Tags, what is tag? Tags are the basic elements of HTML. Means tags we are using. With these tags we are generating the structure of HTML. So the language which is used to write or to develop pages in HTML in internet is HTML. So we are using HTML for developing web pages. Now tags, what are tags? Tags are the basic elements of HTML, like HTML, HR, these are the tags. How can we write tags? Tags, whatever we write within these two brackets, less than and greater than bracket, within these two brackets, whatever we like, HTML treat as a tag. So if we write body is a tag of HTML, then it will be treated as tags. Now tags are of two types. Tags are of two types. One is container tag and another is empty tag. In container tag means the tags which have the opening as well as closing. Means we are using HTML, we have written HTML, and here you see HTML is written with this slash. By using this slash, that is HTML is closing. So HTML opening and HTML closing. These type of tags are known as container tag. Right? After that, we have written head. Head is being closed here. That means head is a container tag. Like that, title is being closed here. Open and close, that means title is also a container tag. And lastly, body is being written over here. It is a tag because we have written within these two brackets. So this body we have written, it is a tag, and we have closed by using this slash sign. By using this slash sign, body is being closed. So it is treated as a container tag. Over here, empty tag. Empty tag means the tag which have opening but no closing tags attached with tag. That means HR. Whenever we write HR is being opened but it is not closed because HR is an empty tag. Like that, BR. HR is stand for horizontal rule and BR for break, page break. Just in Word, in MS Word we use, or in Writer we use page break, or we use enter sign. So for entering to the next page we use BR as a command over internet, over HTML. Lastly, IMG. IMG is an image tag. It denotes for image. For inserting image in web pages, we use this ing. So this is a tag which is not going to be closed. That means these tags are treated as empty tag. Now next, we use Notepad. We use Notepad to write these HTML tags, and by using Notepad, in Notepad you have to write the tags just like text. Whatever text we are typing, we used to write the tags over here in Notepad, and then it will be saved. It will be saved as a file. So what are the ways to save a file in HTML? Suppose that we have written a HTML code and we have to save it. For saving HTML pages, we have to use two things. One is this one is the file name along with its extension. ABC is the file name of the Notepad whatever we created in HTML. Means we have created one document is being created in Notepad. We have written the code over Notepad. Now we have to save that code. For saving that HTML code, we have to write ABC. ABC is the file name. It is the file name, and the extension is .html. I have written .html as its file name extension. And second one is we use two extensions. We can write both the extension. For one file, we have to write only one extension for saving it, but it is two. That means we can either save that file in as abc.html or abc.htm. Both the extension can be used for saving the file. Okay. Now after saving the file, we have to use, after Notepad we have saved the file. After saving the file, we have to use Internet Explorer. We have to use Internet Explorer to open or to view the web page. When you save that file, like abc.html, now this file becomes a web file. Means it is come as a web page. It now becomes a web page. For viewing that web page, we have to use the Internet Explorer. So in computer you got Internet Explorer, just click the Internet Explorer, or you can go through file. To open that file, you have to click on open. Now a dialog box will come where you have to browse that file, and by browsing that file you have saved it in My Document or in desktop, whatever position you have saved. Just browse it and click the file. The path will become over there, and you have to select that OK sign, OK button. You have to click the OK button. The file will be opened. Otherwise, you have saved that file as in desktop. This internet file will come with the file name, whatever file name you have given. You have to just double click it. It will be shown to the browser, internet browser. So there are 2-3 ways for viewing that file over internet. So we can use this option for viewing the file. Right? Now we have learned how to use these files. Now we are going to write the syntax of HTML. How we write the syntax? For writing the syntax, we just use HTML. This is the basic way for writing a HTML over Notepad. We have to write these commands over Notepad, and to run this file we have to use Internet Explorer. HTML, after that head, after that title will come. We have to give a title. Just I give my page. The title will be closed because it is an container tag. Titles, I have written title is being closed. After that head is being closed. Head being closed. After that body will start. In body, the whole page, whatever we see over the internet will comes under this body. Means we have writing these parts, means we have to use the image or text or whatever thing we are using, we have to write it in the body part. Means in body part, the whole web page will come, means the whole writing part is will come. So just I have written hi. We are using HTML. Just I have written one single line. We are using HTML. The body will be closed. Now see, body will start and body will close. Means HTML. After HTML, this is the basic tag of HTML. After HTML is being closed at last, but head is being closed between this title. Means head. Within this head, title will come. After closing of head, body will come, and in body, whatever we are writing, we write in the body. Whatever we have to develop in the page, whatever we have to write in the page, we write it in the body part. The body will be closed, and after body, the last one is HTML will be closed. So this is the way how we write the syntax of HTML. It is being written in Notepad. Okay, it is being written in Notepad. In Notepad, you have to save that file with the file name extension .html or .htm. Okay, after saving that file, if it is being saved over desktop or my computer, my document, we just double click on that icon. We just double click it will be viewed to that web page. That means in Internet Explorer. If we are not getting that thing, then we have to go to the Internet Explorer, go to File, Open option is there. Just click on Open option. A dialog box will come, and over there we have to browse that file. Just we have to locate that file. Just we click that file, the whole path will come, and after that OK button is being pressed. After pressing that OK button, the whole page, that means that HTML whatever you have created, it being shown over there. Okay, so this is the way we used to write the HTML. Okay, thank you.